Hello, welcome to Top Trading Edge. Today's video, this is market update, 5th October, and see what exactly market did today. Today was a excellent day. As we can see, we got a you can see the light at end of the tunnel right here. This is the big red tunnel. Now you can see the light coming out, right? Yep. So right here, as you can see, there is a little diversion on MACD, where you can see right here oscillator was negative 12. Now we are pretty much right here around negative 8.8, so still oversold. Market trying to bounce. As I mentioned here, there's a lot of market trying to create the demand. Supply is right here. Let's see what happens now, if this consistently continue this or not. That's what we need to watch. We have resistance right up here. We have 100-day moving average, 50-day moving average. They're a little far away, so we should not be much worried about it right now. You can see right here, this is 200-day, 100, and way far, so we should not be worried. I would not be even think about right now. Okay, so let's do this. One thing we need to remember, what I notice here is the volume. Okay, the most important part I notice, guys, look at this now. You see this volume, what exactly happening on the volume? Last few days, last 3-4 days, as the demand created, volume was there, but as the market trying to be bullish, the volume is lowering down, going down. You see that? So let's see how far this volume sustain, but we need the volume coming in as the price goes higher. If we don't find the buyer, if the supply will not be there, then market will be pulling back. So that's why we need to keep eyes on it. Let's see how the market creates. So let's get rid of the volume right now. Then second thing I notice it, that we still have a room to go. So the target today, what market did is, as you can see in a 5-minute charts, let me show you. As you can see here, the market tried, we did cross the previous day high. Whenever market crossed the previous day high, that's bullish right here. You see that? But at the end, we closed at the right there. So still, if you look at the trend line, is bullish right here. The trend is intact. Trend is your friend right here. The trend line is intact. Resistance is right up here. It's a 5 minutes bullish ascending triangle setup that can be breakout. Probably that's the bullish scenario. And one more thing. All right, okay, let me get rid of this so we all can see. Okay, then one more scenario I just want to lay out right here. You can see this, every time market was here 480, we went down, we went up, bull cycle 460. So every time we're going lower, low from 460, then we came down to 430, went down, bounce 430. But look at this trend line, resistance, sloping resistance, all time intact. These. So what do you think? Do you see something what I see? Absolutely, that's what we think. I think is market gonna go a little bullish here cycle, probably month, 2 months, depends on earnings, how it comes out. 200-day moving average is right there following the path of that trend line, sloping resistance right here. So that's what normally exactly happening right now. Maybe we are heading into this, but diagonally we are going down. You see that? So we could go up to maybe 400, 405, something like that could happen. If this is the bull rally like this, bear rally, now we're gonna have bull rally. Let's see, it is a small rally like this or the big rally. That's what we need to see. So the earnings are coming in couple of weeks, and that will lay out the bigger scenario. Until then, market, and maybe we have election coming in. So that's why market is kind of to decide how the activity will unfold. But today in the market we had activity, guys. Fed pivot, they're talking about the Fed pivot, and that's why market trying to rally today. That we need to keep it in mind. And I also noticed something about it. Look at that option activity, unusual option activity. I notice here bunch of puts been purchased even after hours also. 17 million, 8 million, 20 million, 6 million, 4 million. Normally you see 100,000, 200,000, $300,000 spend money, but these are like crazy. 15 million. I eliminate all these small. These are all big. 8 million, 8. Look at that number, guys. 15 million, 12 million, 6 million. This is not normal. Look at that. There was another one was 55 million. Where did that go? 16 million. Look at that. Right here, you see that 55 million put. All these puts, look at that. But they are not expiring. They are expiring December. So there is a lot of This could be a hedge, guys, just because they have a lot of position they're opening up, or they might have opened and they thought probably, you know, before the stock tank, they let's go and hedge it. Or it could be a shorting position, they want to do the toilet flush. That can happen too, either one of the situations. But this is something unusual I noticed today, which is not normal every day. This is something different. Okay, so we'll figure it out how it rolls on, but just to give you to your attention, see what the market is doing. Until then, I'm right now still market looking bullish the way the setup is. My MACD pointing north, we have a lot more room to go up, but let's see how it cannot be everyday green, right? You know, this is always keep it in mind. So we have resistance up here, and tomorrow Thursday, and then next day we have Friday. So we need to keep look like it's a little bullish here up here, right here. Let's see how market brings in. So guys, we are always everyday live. Please join the community, Top Trading Edge Academy. We are always live morning 9:30 to 4 p.m. and it's free. This community is free, so you can join anytime morning 9:30 to 4 p.m. and you can learn every day, guys. We are live and it's free, no need to pay for it. All right, so see you tomorrow morning 9:30 to 4 p.m. Thank you, bye.